Alright, so I had a few requests to see how to put my long line clips on my lines and splice them together. What I do is I'd put it through the long line clip, make a loop like this. You're just going to take these and separate them apart, and we're going to go in here. But I'm going to use the blue rope to show the splice so you can see the contrast between the two. So we'll just pretend this is the other end of this to make a loop. We're going to take our fid, which we get at the local commercial fishing store. We put that in like that. And then we go over the next one. Tuck it under. And then we go under the last strand. We just pull it tight. And then we start all back over again. You just go under the next strand. It's up and over. And you got to be careful. Sometimes with smaller rope, it's easier to drive the fid right into your fingers. And I normally go 3 tucks. That's normally more than significant enough to hold. Never had a problem. So that would be the splice. We'll just pretend that blue rope is the other end of this here, and that's how it would make your loop. Okay, next we're going to do joining 2 pieces of rope together. I mean, we do this all the time in the commercial fishing industry. It's just so much nicer than having a knot in your rope. And you unravel both strands. I've burnt these in so they don't fray on me. And when we put them together, each strand goes between the strand on the other piece. And then you pull them tight. And then the same deal. You go up and over. And you gotta hold it pretty tight in your left hand here if you're right-handed. Till you get them all 3 done. And then once you get all 3 done, we're going to pull it tight. Don't look like much right now, but you'll see. And we pull it tight. The greyhound seems pretty interested here. And then we're going to start another row, same as what we did to make the eye loop. Oop. That's what happens when we got the slippery rope. And we just keep going. And we just pull it tight again where it's slippery. And then we're going to go 1 more tuck on this side, then we're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. There's that side complete with 3 tucks. And then we switch over. Same deal, just up and over. And I think you guys can see pretty good there. They were just going right over. Once you get the first row of the first one of the row started, it just like it opens it right up for the next one. And then we're gonna go right here. Now when we're doing a splice like this, you can get by 2 on one side and 3 on the other. And there you go. There's your splice to join 2 pieces of rope together.